How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can uncomplete or reset any level in Geometry Dash. Now, unfortunately, there is no vanilla way in order for us to do this, so we need to install the Geoth application or mod onto our devices. You can just search up Geoth on your mobile devices or for Windows computer. Now, from here, you will be able to confirm that you have successfully installed Geoth by navigating through this icon. And then, of course, you then want to search a specific mode called Eclipse. You also want to make sure that you are inside the download option. And from here, of course, let's then click on Get. And of course, by doing this, it will allow us to successfully reset one level. And if you want to reset your account entirely, you could just create a new one. And from there, you will be able to reset your account. And so in my case, I want to reset one of my downloaded levels, which is going to be this one. As of the moment, it's 4%. And for computers, you just want to hit tab on your keyboard. For other devices, you can just search it up on how you can open up the Eclipse mod. And then you have the ability to click or navigate through the uncomplete level. So in here, it will say that, are you sure that you want to uncomplete the autoplay area? Let's just click on OK. Restart the level, and from there, as you can see, it's set to 0%. So that's how easy it is to do this. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.